How to log out of Telegram on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You can view and manage your profile settings from here. Scroll down and tap on Logout at the end. Here, tap on Logout below. Logging out deactivates all secret chats. Tap on OK to confirm. You can also choose any of the alternative options as well if you want. Following these steps, you can easily log out of Telegram on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.